Hello, I'm Mark, Roof Life of Oregon. What I have found is that when we use aluminum ladders, Roof Life doesn't use aluminum ladders unless it's super long. It's the 40-foot ladders. Those are aluminum because otherwise they would be too heavy to lift. I'm talking about the day-to-day average ladder that we carry, and that's a fiberglass ladder. The reason why we use fiberglass is because we don't want to put any scratches or any strains on the gutter, specifically the finish of the gutter system. The homeowner puts a lot of pride and effort into maintaining their gutters to make them look nice, and if we were to lay a aluminum ladder against their gutters, it would certainly scratch it. I've seen towels used, I've seen little sponges used, but over time those wear out. We at Roof Life use fiberglass. It's stronger, it's durable. The day-to-day usage of fiberglass ladders, that's what we use. And the reason why is to protect the client's assets. It's all about the client. It's all about the appearance of what their finished product is going to look like. And what a shame it would be to have a small ding on their super wonderful gutter system, and I'd hate to be the guy to put that ding there.